This segment of CoastLife is sponsored by Liberty Concrete and Enhancements.
Top of your mind right now is probably what's been going on, right? The snow, the cold, you're just wanting to get home after work, we totally get it. But the back of your mind right now, if you're anything like me, is the home improvement projects. Are you looking ahead to spring? It's going to be here before we know it. So if you've been thinking, what can I do, especially maybe with your outdoor area, Liberty Concrete has some answers for you, and they're really creative answers. So to tell us a little bit more, we have Jackie and we have Kyle on the CoastLife couch. First timers, welcome.
Thank you for having us.
Happy guys, this is really cool. So first, just tell us a little bit about Liberty Concrete, who you guys are and what you do as a company.
So the owner, he's been in business since '96. He's been stamping for a long time. Nice. He taught me everything I know about the business. So we take pride, we take care in the things we do, the work we do. Craftsmanship, quality, that's on the top of our minds.
Very cool. And something that I thought was interesting when I was reading up on you guys is decorative concrete and stamping concrete. I don't know what that means. Can you explain a little bit about what that looks like?
So yeah, decorative concrete to me is an art form in itself. So there's many things you can do. There's hundreds of different stamps you can do. You can do wood grain, you can do brick, you can make it look like anything your mind can imagine. So that's a big one we do is our Asher slate. So it's seamed, and you have blocks, and it looks almost like cobblestone, but it's very beautiful. There's many colors you can pick from.
That's interesting. And where would it go? I mean, are we talking like patios, front porches?
It's limitless. You can do vertical applications such as walls. You can do sidewalks. You can do driveways. You can do patios.
Oh, wow.
We will do trash enclosures too.
Really? Oh, that's a great idea. Yeah. A pretty trash enclosure, so it's not much of an eyesore. Yep. It's a great idea.
With a nice walkway leading to your driveway, so you can just roll it right out.
I love to see that you guys have ideas that we probably haven't thought about yet. So it's a lot more than, like I said, just like, oh, I need to do a patio. There's ideas that you haven't thought of, but they've done it. So when should people start really thinking about, okay, I want to do a home improvement project. I don't know where to start. Can they call you guys right now?
Oh, of course they can. I don't think there's a bad time for people to start thinking about those things, And as resilient as we have to be in winter, you want your projects to be resilient. And concrete is one of those things that will last, lifetimes.
And we're very transparent with our prices. So if they want just a ballpark range right now to see kind of where they stand with what they want, we can give them a quote within the next day or so.
And that's going to speak a lot to a lot of customers. That's what a lot of people want, is that transparency with the person that they're working with. And what I also think is really cool, it really shows how much you care, is you guys have discounts for first responders, military, seniors, and you guys have gotten some just really great feedback from your customers.
Correct. And being a homeowner myself, I've had trouble where, you call a business and they say, hey, we'll be out here. And they don't come, they don't call, they don't check up. We're very good about that. We will call you back. We will be there.
Yeah, we have a 98% responsiveness rate, so we make sure we answer you back. If we don't, call us back.
Yeah, something's probably going on.
That's right.
Concrete emergency. Otherwise, I love that. So if someone is looking maybe for the spring or summer, right, they want to have a nice entertainment area, or like we said, maybe they don't know just yet. When should they start calling, and how far out do projects normally go?
About 2 weeks in the summer. We might be out a little more depending on how busy we are, but again, we will always be transparent about how long it will take and, the time frame we have.
Yeah, but that's fantastic. I mean, you can call, in the end of winter and have your project done and ready for your spring barbecue.
And a lot of neighborhoods have HOAs, so a lot of them don't really know. They come from different states. They don't know how that works. Well, we'll take care of that for you. We take care of all the hard work. Leave it up to us.
Perfect. Easy enough. Now, talking about, leaving it up to you guys, let's say someone just knows they don't like their outdoor space, but they have no idea what they want done. Like you mentioned, those trash enclosures. If they call you and just say, hey, I think I want something done, what do you recommend? Is that something you can work them through?
We like to come out. Okay. We don't just talk on the phone. We like to see you in person. We like to see what we're working with and kind of collaborate, more or less. We have a portfolio we bring, so you can see the stamps, you can see what options we have. I mean, this really is limitless, but we try to condense it in a sense so where it's not so overpowering and so too many colors, too many, we try to keep it as simple as possible for you.
I love that. So if you know exactly what you want, or if you have no idea, and this is your first time like me hearing about concrete stamping, give Liberty Concrete a call. I think this is going to be really fun for people to get their outdoor projects ready to go. So how can they get in touch with you? What's the best way?
You can reach us at our phone number, 302-236-5810, or you can reach us at libertyconcreteenhancements@gmail.com.
Easy enough. Sounds good. Well, all right, with Jackie and Kyle in here today, thank you both so much for coming in here and teaching me all about Liberty.
Thank you so much.
Paige.
Yeah. All right, well, don't forget, let us know what you get done. Very excited. I'm already thinking of the trash enclosure is my biggest thing. I'm hung up on that. That's awesome. So don't forget to call Liberty Concrete, but we have more CoastLife for you guys coming up in just a minute.